Our future of learning includes agents of assessment designer, community intelligence cartographer, educators, learning fitness instructors, and learning journey mentors. In this presentation, I will discuss the different responsibilities that each will have. An assessment designer will use social networks and insights that activate cognitive functioning. They can create appropriate methods for evaluating media literacy, learning discovery journeys, sociological encounters, and other innovative instruction. Their function will be to assess, and that involves dynamic informs achievement. They will need to design to evolve from a one time activity to an ongoing relationship between learners and learning agents in the evolving learning ecosystem. They are critical to establishing a new basis for teaching and learning in the open economy because they will make assessment a dynamic process that informs achievement, instructional design, and practice in innovation in education. The community intelligence cartographer is one who will cultivate diverse relationships and asset sharing in order to foster adaptable community learning systems that contribute to regional wealth. They'll build and map resource webs that strengthen learning ecosystems. They work with social media and urban data dashboards to track, manage, and map diverse data streams from multiple agencies and institutions while creating ways to visualize a region's educational ecosystem and the benefit it provides to the overall health and vibrancy of a region. They work with regional decision makers and organizational leaders such as learning districts, health agencies, and service providers to make strategic investments, resolve learning inequities, and strengthen community resilience. The eduvator. They involve organizing teams of learning agents, researchers, designers, and entrepreneurs, and they test new ideas, concepts, and technologies using rapid prototyping and design process. The eduvator stimulates experimentation and distributed innovation in education, and they lower the risk of entrepreneurial activity of learning agents, learners, and parents. The learning fitness instructor, also known as LFI, build and strengthen the basic cognitive, emotional, and social abilities essential to learning. They use simulation biofeedback and hands-on activities, which help students reduce stress, hone mental capabilities, and learn brain-friendly nutrition. So this is like participating in physical education, but these are activities for your brain. They tailor to each individual student's needs while collaborating with classroom based learning agents and other school based school staff, such as admin, space designers, and technologies and media designers, to make sure both physical environments and virtual spaces are conducive to their learning experiences. They must understand the student's home environments and other potential sources of stress, shock, or support that need to be considered in designing a learning fitness plan. The LFI is crucial because they are important because brain health is central to education, which directly affects the student's learning process. And lastly is the learning journey mentor. They are the closest role of today's typical classroom teacher. They work with personal education advisor, learning fitness instructors, community intelligence cartographers, and assessment designers to co create and navigate learning itineraries with small groups of students. They guide learners in working through their learning experiences and helping them execute their learning pathways. Functions of a learning journey mentor involve forming to help learners connect with people, resources, and activities that can propel them along their chosen learning pathways. They are to model what it means to think like a practitioner or disciplined.